Building foundations. Building communities. Building our future. UConn Health is proud to present the NEAG Medal of Honor for outstanding contributions to medicine through legacies in treatment, education, public outreach, and philanthropy.
My name's Irene Elizabeth Chason Engel. I came to the health center in 1968. It was only 9 months old, so like the baby, we all grew up together.
From her early days in UConn's first home at McCook Hospital in Hartford, to today as president of the UConn Health Center Auxiliary, Irene has had a tremendous effect on patient care and shaping UConn.
After my husband died in 1978, I went back and got a degree in business.
Upon graduation, Irene joined the School of Medicine to help set up the faculty practice. Her legacy is experienced today by every patient who sees a doctor in UConn Health's outpatient practice. Later, she became Assistant Dean for Space Planning and Programs until her retirement in 1995. Irene is active in fundraising for the Auxiliary's scholarships for medical and dental students and its many programs to support patients and families. She helped lead the remarkable effort to endow a faculty chair, making UConn's Auxiliary one of the first in the country to do so. Dr. Audrey Chapman is the first to hold the Healy Endowed Chair. Her expertise in bioethics is invaluable to colleagues and students across UConn Health.
It means a great deal to me, and I feel a special sense of obligation to both act in accordance with Professor Healy, but to fulfill the hopes of the members of the Auxiliary, and it has given special meaning to my work.
The Auxiliary has also pledged to support the new Patient and Family Education Center.
I've always been a patient. I think I got one of the lowest numbers in the system.
After more than half a century of support, Irene found another way to strengthen UConn and help fellow patients with a planned bequest. Irene and her late husband Henry's final gift will create an endowed fund that supports UConn's cancer treatment programs.
If you believe in something, you live the something.
Cigna is committed to improving the health, well-being, and sense of security of individuals and communities everywhere. Through its unique approach to corporate responsibility, the work of the Cigna Foundation, and the passion for service of its people.
It's about keeping those that are well healthy, those that are at risk helping them move to the healthy category, and those that have chronic diseases to live the best life they possibly can. UConn Health Center gives us those tools and capabilities to do exactly that.
Cigna supports UConn Health through sponsorship of the Jim Calhoun Cancer Challenge Ride and Walk, as well as other community-based initiatives.
Over the years, we've raised about $230,000. And very importantly, with UConn's expansion into bioscience and additional clinical education, we feel that's a great opportunity to continue to partner.
And the way these partnerships are being forged, the collaboration that we have with the UConn Health Center is giving us the expertise, the talent, and the initiative to really change the healthcare system for the better.
All corporations that are located in Connecticut, if they step back and looked at what commitment in healthcare, research, and education means to their families in their communities, and how UConn is a big part of that, it leads to happier, healthier employees who want to remain with the company, and the companies, by virtue of being in the community, get the benefits of UConn's support and dedication to those communities.
At the end of the day, it's about improving health. That's what we're all about together, and that's why this honor is so meaningful for us. We're having a true impact together on improving health and wellness.
Richard and Jane Lublin are dedicated supporters of UConn Health. Richard is a retired attorney of 32 years and a successful television and film actor. Jane is the owner of an interior decorating company. In 2008, Jane was diagnosed with cancer.
Cancer is a horrific disease, and once you hear the word cancer come out of your doctor's mouth, your life will never, ever, ever be the same. When we found out what kind of cancer Jane had, I went to the major cancer centers in the country, UCLA, MD Anderson, Sloan Kettering, and told them what we had and what could they do. And they said, "You have Dr. Upendra Hedge right there under your feet, and he is very well respected, and he'll do what we would do." So from then on, we were involved with Dr. Hedge.
Dr. Upendra Hedge, like many UConn faculty, is a scientist, physician, and teacher. He works from the bench to the bedside, taking discoveries he learns in the lab and translating them into better care for his patients.
When we treat patients with such a serious condition like cancer, they need to feel secure that yes, somebody cares about them.
There are a lot of wonderful doctors at UConn, and they're very, very dedicated to their careers and to helping people, and they spend time with you. And the medical staff, the nurses, they care. It's just an amazing place.
The best feeling is when the patient feels well. To me, that's the most important satisfaction.
I believe that life is a series of two-way streets. You do for those who do for you. And this medical center did a tremendous amount for us.
As cancer survivors and founding title sponsors of the White Coat Gala for the past 5 years, Richard and Jane Lublin's philanthropy supports cancer treatment, research, and Bioscience Connecticut.
Jane and I are very honored to receive this award. We've done everything we can and will continue to because we have a tremendous amount of respect for this hospital.
The research, education, and philanthropy of today will guarantee the future success of UConn Health and its partnership with Bioscience Connecticut.
I see it as a continuation of the first time I drove on this campus. We're still continuing to grow, to build.
UConn's commitment to developing bioscience and education is going to be an incredible opportunity for the ability to grow industry around that within the state.
And with the new buildings they're building and with the relationship with Jackson Lab and the new scientists and doctors who are being hired, UConn is going to step onto the national stage.
UConn Health, building the future of healthcare and science.